Again. Stop. Hold up.
Show your little body, 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 body. Show them a little body, 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 body. And Shorty got the body.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this is another install, and today's install or video is sponsored by UNice Hair. So they sent me their, I think it's called FB30 hair. So this is the wig. This is the wig. I started like doing some one curls, and they sent me their FB30 wig, and I think they sent a 24 inch. 25? Is it 24? No, I think it's 20 inches. I'm not sure about the inches, guys. I will, when I link the link in the description box, then you will see. But let me just show you what they sent to me. So this is the bag, the trash that the wig came in. They sent me this cap, stocking cap. I already have one on my head, so I'm not going to be using this today. They sent me some elastic band that I can attach to the back of the wig. Probably won't use it. They also sent me some lashes. I might use it today. And I think this is just a headband. Yeah, and then this beautiful floral headband. So yeah, I want to thank UNice Hair for sending me this wig and for also sponsoring this video. Now let's just jump into the installation of the video. Okay, so starting out, I'm going to be blending my stocking cap with my foundation, and this foundation is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and this is in the shade 350. So now that's done, I'm going to be going in with, I'm going to be cleaning off my skin. Cleaning off and also protecting. I feel like this actually does the same thing, but I'm just being lazy right now to get up and actually go for my alcohol, but same thing. So we're just gonna clean off the excess makeup from around the hairline. So this is how the inside of the wig is looking. This is not HD lace, by the way, so we're going to have to do a lot of blending today, but it's not HD lace. Also, it's not transparent either. It's regular brown lace, which sometimes does not, you know, but we have to work with what we got. And if you're a darker skin tone, then it's fine. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going to be cutting out the combs, because I don't like installing my wigs with the combs, because I feel like it bothers me. Also, I don't know if I mentioned that this is actually a T-part wig, so that's why right to these, like these part out here does not, like they don't have like the full length as the middle part, because it's a T thing, T-part wig. Okay, so now that the thing is gone, I'm going to be spraying my lace with the Ebin Tinted Lace Spray, and this is in the shade Light Warm Brown. So it's been a long time since I've used or done a GOT2B install. So today we're doing a GOT2B install just for people that do not want to use any glue. No, a GOT2B spray or the GOT2B gel can also give you the similar holding effect. The only thing is it's not gonna last as long, but it can last up to a week the most. And for me that's fine because I'm not going to be actually wearing the wig that long, so it's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some gel first, but I'm not going to use a lot. I'm going to use a little bit as if I was actually doing the same bolt hold type of vibe. Then I'm going to go in with my GOT2B. So this is pretty much the ending, guys. All I'm doing right now is just using a wide tooth comb to comb out the curls, and I'm kind of using my hand as well just to run my fingers through it, because I wanted the curls to not be fully combed out but not so defined. I wanted it to look a little bit more fluffy, so that's why I'm pretty much just kind of shaking it, running my fingers through it, and I'm going to go in with the combs just to give it a little bit more body. But yeah, this is pretty much the final look. I want to thank UNice Hair for sponsoring this video and for sending me this wig. One thing about UNice Hair, they're a real OG, so even if it's a dark brown lace, it's not, or like a regular lace, it's not really hard to work with, because I feel like UNice Hair have been on the market for a long time, so they kind of have a lot more experience, I should say, if that's the right thing to say. But yeah, their laces, it's not that bad even if it's regular lace, so it's workable. So that's why it didn't really, it was work, but it still came out cute, and I enjoy doing this hair. But if you guys want to see how I style this hair, so what pictures I took, then head on over to my Instagram. But for now, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Show your little body, 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 show them a little body thing.